Hello guys, how are you? I'm Dr. Andres from Santiago, Chile, and here with my partner, Dr. Alan, and also with Ralph George. We're gonna be tomorrow, Thursday, 12th of January, on our first webinar of this beautiful course that we have built with SmileFy and SmileFy that's called Veneer VIP, How to Build Natural Restoration. So this is gonna be the first webinar of a sequence of 3 times that we're gonna get together, and we'll be talking about the whole digital workflow. Tomorrow specifically, we are gonna be talking about the digitalization of the patient. We're gonna talk about how you have to register all the information for your patient and build, the smile design, how you build 3D mock-up for your patient, how you print it, and how you have to test it in their mouth. And then we're gonna talk in the next webinars till we reach to the cementation process when we are finalizing our cases. So join us tomorrow, 8 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. Los Angeles time, and 10 p.m. Santiago, Chile time. Click in this link and I see you tomorrow.